Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on Tech World. Today we are going to see how to download Valorant Ignition Series 2020 for PC for free. Yes guys, we are going to download Valorant for free. So let's get starting. For that we will open up Chrome first and let's type Riot Gamers because Valorant is available for free only on Riot Gamers. That also without any virus guys, we can download this for without any virus. So let's click on Riot Gamers home. For this we need to have a Riot account. If you are already having a Riot account, then it's well and good. If you are not having Riot account, then we will create one. Now it is taking to official website of Valorant where we can download the game. Now it's asking play now, but we are in a Valorant. But when you click play now, it asks do you have a Riot account or sign in? If you are not having a Riot account, then from here we can make one Riot account. If you are having a Riot account, just click on sign in. I have already a Riot account, so I'll click on sign in. After signing in, I'll get a page like this where it asks to download the game. So let's download the game of Valorant. Now it's asking permission. Let's save the file and let's wait it to be downloaded. It's taking time guys. Okay, now my game is already downloaded. Now let me install it and let's see how it goes. Guys, installation process takes very long time guys, because this game is of 9.3 GB I think so, and it has look yes. 1 minute guys. Okay, this game is of 9.3 GB. It is also showing advanced options if you want to do any advancement, and here my game has been downloaded, Valorant. Yes. Now let me remove this notification and let me wait for a while to open the Valorant game, because it opens automatically when it's already get installed on a PC.
A few moments later.
Finally my Valorant game is started. Wow, amazing graphics here. This is the proof that I have run the Valorant game, and the first mission is the range. Okay, now I think the game has started. Okay, I don't know what are the controls are. Yes, W is the control, or the W is the key where we should press to go front, A to the left side, D to the right side, and S to come back, and it's showing space bar to jump. Okay, space bar to jump. And I think we should move left. And guys, this is a tutorial. First when we start the Valorant, the range is a tutorial mission, and left control to bend. Okay, and I think we should press W. If you like today's video, click on the like button. If you are new to the channel, click on subscribe and share it among your friends. And if you want to see more gameplay of Valorant, click right in the comments gameplay Valorant.